So to unmount the tire, you're gonna need these 2 bars and some diesel, and this tool right here to take out the stem valve. So you just put diesel around the bead. And then with a just hit the bead. And right there, the tire is off the bead. Then you turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. You got to start with the other side first, and this is the second side of the wheel. You put more diesel. And hit it again. There it goes. And now you get the 2 bars. This is the type of bar we used. One of them has this little groove right there, and that one's straight. So just go like that. Put your feet on the back. You put your feet in the back so you can make some pressure on the tire, and then just keep on working the tire out with the straight bar. And one side is out already. You just flip it, and using 1 bar only, you put it inside like that, and just drop the tire, and it should come out like that. And that's basically how you take it out. I'm gonna show you with this one too, on this second one, just so you can get a clue how it works. You start by using taking out this side of the rim first. That's the way it goes. And then do the other side. And you put the diesel. And same thing with the 2 bars. Make sure you put a lot of diesel so you can get off easier. That's it. I'll show you guys how to mount the tire. So you gotta put tire sealer around the tire. This liquid we bought, it comes in a 5-gallon, and you have to mix it. So put half of the paste and half water, and then you get that right there. So that thing seals the tire so no air comes out, and it makes it easier to mount the tire. So to mount it, you're only gonna use one bar, the straight one. That's the first side. You stand on it so the tire won't keep on coming out, and work your way in. And that's it. That one is mounted already. We're gonna do the second one so you can check it out. And that's it. So this tire didn't want to inflate by itself, so we're gonna be using starting fluid and a lighter.
You just have to put the stem valve in. Make sure you put this one in, otherwise you're gonna have a big explosion, and you don't want that. You can hurt yourself. Then you put air. It has a lot of oil in the back. And then you gotta be careful because if there's fire inside, you can ignite again. So in this case, now you don't put your hand inside because it might explode.
So if it doesn't inflate at the first time, try the second, or until it does.
Now seal.
Right there, it's sealed already, and that's basically it. Leave it to 100. We leave them to 100 psi, and that's it. We're gonna show you how to mount it over here to a truck. So this is the second tire. We're gonna show you guys again. This is how we do it. Make sure you put the stem valve first, so when you light it up, it won't explode too hard. goes. It's sealed already. So to put the tires back into the truck or trailer, use one of the bars and lift them like that so you won't hurt yourself. That one is in already. Whenever you lift the truck, you don't have to lift it too much off the ground, just enough to get the tire out. It'll make it easier to get it in and out. There it goes. So that's basically how you do a tire mount and unmount.